Hi children, welcome to Easy Economics. Today I am discussing about the deleted syllabus of Telangana Board of Intermediate for second year. Yes, up to that I did not upload the videos belongs to inter second year. This is the first video of me to the intermediate second year, and from now onwards I will upload the videos belongs to second year also, and both mediums, Telugu and English medium. And children, we know that Corona, that is this pandemic situation, adversely affected the society, all the sectors and all the parts of the economy are adversely affected due to Corona. So that is the reason our educational year started very late, and also the classes were the online classes. So comparing to the offline classes, online classes are not much more effective. Why? Because you don't have the chance to interact with your teacher, and you are losing some scope to ask the questions like that somewhat. But in this situation, there is a need to run the online classes. Why? Because opening schools and colleges is a risky task in this situation. So that is the reason government issued the guidelines to run the online classes for both the high schools and the colleges, and to reduce the burden on the student. Board of Intermediate deleted 30% of syllabus in economics in all the subjects. So like that in inter first year and second year also, in economics 30% syllabus was deleted. And today I am discussing about the deleted syllabus. Children, this deletion is applicable to this academic year only. That is this educational year only, that is 2020 and 21. Later, students have to study the total syllabus next coming batches. And this year only the second year syllabus has been changed. A little bit change is there. Already you know that children in first year 10 topics are there, 10 units. In the second year also 10 units are there. But you can find the slight changes in the syllabus in the second year. Okay children, now I am discussing about the deleted topics. In the first unit is economic growth and economic development. In this unit, physical quality of life index is deleted. It is the 2 marks question, children. And gender related development index, this is also 2 marks question. And the third topic is the social progress index. This was also deleted. And finally, in this unit, characteristics of developed economies. In this unit, we will study about the characteristics of both developed and developing economies. So this is a 5 marks question. So it was deleted. And coming to the second unit, demography and human resource development. In this unit, some topics were deleted. They are population policy in India. In this one 5 marks question also there, that is population policy 2000. So it was asked for 10 marks also sometime, that was deleted, children. And next one, construction of HDI and gender related indices. Gender related development index, gender empowerment measure, and the gross happiness index, these are all deleted. These are all the 2 marks questions. And finally, views of Amartya Sen on human development. Amartya Sen is the Indian economist who got the Nobel Prize for his welfare economics. So at the end of the chapter, we can find the views of the Amartya Sen on the human resource development. So the views of Amartya Sen was deleted. And coming to the third unit, national income, poverty and unemployment. In this unit, third unit, topic number 4, share of public sector and private sector in GDP. In the gross domestic product, the relative shares of public and private sectors are deleted. Next, types of poverty. Whenever we are studying about the poverty, we will study the types also, absolute poverty and relative poverty. So the two concepts are not there to the, that is 2020-21 educational year, academic year. And incidence of poverty means independence onwards. What is the poverty ratio in our India? Means how the poverty is reducing by the government at the time of independence. How many population are living below the poverty line, and now what is the poverty in our India? Means Planning Commission and National Sample Survey Organization will estimate about the poverty. Okay, so their estimations are called incidence of poverty. It was also deleted. And next one, poverty elevation and employment generation programs in India. At the end of the lesson, in the table, all the programs were given. Okay, the programs which are implemented by both the central and the state governments to eradicate the poverty are given in the table. So all are deleted. And finally, in this year only, the views of Abhijit Banerjee on poverty are introduced. This year only. This is a new topic. He is also the Indian person but migrated to America, Indo-American economist. Recently, in the year of 2019, he got Nobel Prize for his innovative efforts to reduce the poverty. Children, his views also deleted in the third unit. Unit 4. Unit 4 is Planning and Niti Aayog. In this unit, types of planning means planning in socialist economy, planning in mixed economy, planning in capitalism, and various types of plans all are deleted. Next, rural-urban imbalances. The differences in the development of both city areas and village areas. This topic was also deleted. Next one, regional imbalances. Means all the states in a country and all the areas in a state are not equally well developed. So what are the reasons? They are called regional imbalances. So what are the causes for the regional imbalances and what are the results of consequences, effects of regional imbalances, and what are the remedial measures should be taken by the government. So these are all removed from the syllabus now to this year, and we have to study about Niti Aayog. You know that, children, India is a planned economy. In the year 1950, Planning Commission was established in our India, and planning era was started in the year of 1951. But now, in place of Planning Commission, Niti Aayog came into force. After completion of the 12th 5-year plan, Indian government is not implementing the 5-year plans. Okay, so now instead of Planning Commission, Niti Aayog is there in our India. Okay, later we will, in the 4th unit we will discuss about the Niti Aayog. Next, coming to the unit 5, it is unit is having agricultural sector. From this unit you will get more questions. Highest weightage unit for the final examination. So from this unit, NABARD. Children, I didn't write the full form of NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. This topic also not there. And agricultural pricing policy in India. So price determination by the government to the agricultural output is called agricultural pricing policy. Okay, minimum support price determination is not there. And the status of food security and its components, these are all deleted. And agricultural sector, so many topics are there. This is the biggest unit. So some topics were deleted from the agricultural sector. And in all these topics, from food security and NABARD and agricultural pricing policy also, in the examination you will get the 5 marks questions, but now these topics are not there. Next, coming to the 6th unit, children. 6th unit is the industrial sector. major industries in India: sugar industry, cotton industry, and cement industry, steel industry. These are all various types of industries are there. All are deleted. And next, industrial policy resolution. I wrote shortly. IPR means industrial policy resolution. Means it explains the role of public and private sector and the government strategy in the industrial sector. So it is called the industrial policy resolution. So many are there, IPR, industrial policy resolutions. From among all the IPRs, some were deleted. They are 1977 and 1980. These are the 2 marks questions only. Next one, National Manufacturing Policy, 2011, also deleted. Next, demonetization, goods and service tax. It is the indirect tax. Instead of various types of indirect taxes, only the single tax, that is called the goods and service tax, GST. Okay, this was also introduced newly in the syllabus. It is also not there, children. And next one, development finance institutions. To give the finance to the industries, especially government established some of the industrial financial institutions, IDBI, ICICI, IFCI, SIDBI, like that. So the topics also deleted from this unit. Next one, coming to the unit 7, tertiary sector. The third sector in the economy is called the tertiary sector, that is service sector. From this unit, tourism sector was deleted. It is asked for 5 marks previously. And banking sector, examination point of view, it is not having any importance. And space sector is newly introduced this year only, so it was also deleted. So in between banking sector and space sector, we have to study about the insurance sector. Next, coming to the 8th unit, that is foreign sector. In this, objectives and functions of GATT, 8th unit generally is having 2 parts, that is starting all the liberalization, LBZ policy, liberalization, privatization, globalization, and second part, you have to read about the GATT and WTO. So from the second part, that is part B, from the 8th unit, objectives and functions of GATT. It is an international agreement on the international trade. Okay, general agreement on tariffs and trade. And objectives and functions of World Trade Organization. Next one, impact of WTO on Indian economy. These 3 topics were deleted from the syllabus to this year only. And next, coming to the 9th unit, environmental economics. In previous years, this was environmental economics was a part in the 4th unit, planning and environment, the unit is called. But now, environment economics is separately, they had given the new chapter. Okay? So here, types of environment, reasons for environmental degradation, and natural resources. These 3 topics were deleted. To educate the children towards the environmental protection and to control the environmental pollution, generally in most of the areas, means in all the classes, government is introducing the environmental lessons. So as a part of that, also it is a separate unit. So why? Because it is a burning problem now, environmental pollution. Okay, we are all experiencing the problem. So that is the reason how to control the environmental pollution is discussed in this unit. What are the causes and what are the measures should be taken by our side and government side. All are discussed in the unit. In this unit. Okay, now some of the topics were deleted. Next, unit 10, Telangana economy. So newly formed state our Telangana is. Here, generally in the previous textbook, belongs to Telangana economy, 2 units are there, 9th and 10th units. Why? Because environmental economics is a part in the 4th unit. But now, 9th and 10th units were combined. Combined it is called Telangana economy. So from this unit, no deletion. All topics you have to read. Okay children, this is the deleted means syllabus from the 2nd year intermediate. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share it. Thank you, children.